bought it, crib, got it, got on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris?
Okay, so now let's find some clothes.
Was you to pick up the phone when you alone? All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name? Say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my? So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
I've been delayed. So I was able to get my stuff, but they didn't have no bags in the store, which is kind of stupid. But yeah, y'all, look at how my skin is just glowing.
Whip, bought it, crib, got it, got on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris?
Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. So now I'm gonna do a little unboxing because I have work later on today. But yeah, this is the camera. I went with Sony, and this is the little stand with the SD card. Surprise, surprise. Oh my gosh, guys, they sent me a book. Wow, a book. What's this? Like, it's not coming out. Oh, it's the little puffball microphone? I don't know. Cord. What's this? Battery. Oh my gosh, guys, the camera! Oh my gosh. Oh, let's turn it on. Charge it, but oh my gosh, hold on, guys. My stupid self forgot to put the battery in. Duh. Oop, hold on. Okay, y'all, so I finally got the battery and I was being stupid and I was putting it upside down. But now we're gonna put the memory card that, ooh, ooh, fancy. Sorry, I'm not used to fancy things. A box inside of a box. Oh my gosh. Let me open this and I'll get back to y'all. Okay, so I got a little baggie to put it in. And the stand itself. So sorry, I'm just so happy right now. This is for the battery, I'm assuming. Oh. Okay, here's my SD card. I'm gonna put that in when I figure out how to open this. Okay. Cute. Oh my gosh. It looks like I don't know if any of y'all ever had a DS. It looks like a DS. Oh my gosh. I'm just so happy right now, guys. You don't understand. Okay, I don't know how to put this in, so give me a sec. Okay, y'all, I got it in. Now, I don't know if I turn it on or... Let's see. Oh. Does it touch me? Oh, it is. One sec, guys. Okay, guys, so it took me mad long to set up everything, but everything is finally set up. I'm not too really sure where, like, this piece goes. I'm pretty sure it goes somewhere, like, on top here. I'm just not too sure how, but we'll figure that out, you know? Yeah, we'll figure that out. But yeah, now I'm about to try to figure out how to connect this with the camera, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's do this real quick. On the camera, select menu, then and the T side button. Oh, whoops, I'm in the wrong thing. Whoopsie. That's my fault. I'm not reading. I have to do this again though. Oh, I think I'm hella stupid. Hold up, guys. My stupid self forgot to take off the little piece off the battery. Yeah. Ugh. Now let's do that again. There we go. And it's period. I'm just gonna hook this on here really quick. Okay guys, so I got it on. Okay y'all, so I'm already in love with the camera, but let me show y'all the quality. Oh my gosh, hold up. Yo, no, I have to show y'all from like, yo. Oh my gosh, wait. Let me go somewhere with a nice light.
Okay, y'all, this is what the quality looks like. And I'm in love. Ah!
Anyways, I can't wait to start vlogging on this. Like, I can't wait. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna end the video right there. So I'm so glad y'all went on this journey with me for vlogging on my phone. Now it's for more new videos on my camera. And yeah, let's go on this journey together. Anyways, I'm gonna see y'all later. I might be recording another video tomorrow maybe, or later today, but yeah, stay tuned for that. And like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.